Hey everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, I'm at the 1400 Hiline in Dallas, Texas. The 1400 Hiline in Dallas, Texas. And I'm going to talk a little bit about the area here. This is in the design district of Dallas, Texas. The design district of Dallas, Texas. Now, what is the design district? Well, it's right by downtown. It's kind of on the other side of 35. Downtown is pretty much kind of that way. And by the way, Uptown is just on the other side of this bridge. So this is an area that has a lot of the cool trends of what's going on in Dallas, and shops, and a few restaurants as well. So there's unusual shops, and that includes some retail shops that are in walking distance here, but it also includes antique stores. Some of the coolest antique stores are in this area, so it includes that. And then it also has restaurants and just a really unusual way that you can see a lot of cool things that you wouldn't really see in other areas. I really like the design district. It's definitely walkable. So I'm walking around the building, but I want you to see there's a lot to walk to here. There's definitely some, like I said, restaurants you can walk to. Also though, the American Airlines Center is just right over there. I'd say it'd be about 10 minutes. You can walk to that. That's gonna have concerts. That's gonna have the Dallas Mavericks, the Dallas Stars. So you've got those there. You've got the Katy Trail that's probably about 7 to 10 minutes in this direction. And then there's downtown Dallas right there. This is a very fabulous area. This is a map, by the way, of the Dallas Design District. It's got some of the art galleries, bars, hotels, residences. So it's a really cool area to be in. Hey, if you have any questions about the area or just about apartments and high rises in general, send me a text. I'd love to hear from you. And now we're about to start touring the 1400 Hiline.